Hey YouTube subscribers, traders out there. Guys, welcome to Trade Confident. We are live trading crypto on every single video. Now, I gotta put this out there. You guys, I'm not doing this to scare you guys. The title and the thumbnail, this is gonna be a scary video for some of you guys because you're in long positions, so I don't want you guys to freak out, but I am gonna be real with something where we could start crashing extremely fast on Bitcoin, and I'm not gonna just come out here and try to spread some FUD here because personally I'm in these trades. I don't want them to go down. I've got $10,000 over here that I don't want the price to move down. So I need to show you guys something that you're not looking at. I'm gonna show you the orders of how many people are going long and how many people are going short right now, and then show you some other metric that could drop Bitcoin extremely fast. Again, this is not to create panic, but this is gonna shock some of you guys who are not looking at this. All right, so let's start here. We start at the price versus the whale money flow. We can see that we're moving down from the top. Whales are selling right now while the price is it's basically moving up and it's consolidating in this triangle pattern. Now, we broke to the downside and we tried to shoot up. We never actually broke the descending resistance. So I'm expecting to see a little bit of a move down here, especially with the price dropping out. This has not reached the bottom yet for the trend exhaustion, so that's another reason. But let me show you guys something that is probably going to shock you, and this is actually making me honestly quite nervous right now for all my long positions. So you know what? I'm not the guy that's just like, hey, coming out with YouTube videos with nothing like on the line. Like I've got $10,000 here that I'm honestly nervous about right now. So let's go over this. This is a website called datamish.com, and I'm going to give full credit to this guy. I actually saw this on a YouTube channel called Austin Hilton, AUSTINHITON. So I'm not trying to take his credit. I saw it there first. Go follow him. He's amazing. So I'm going to start reporting on this a little bit on this channel so you guys can keep updated with this. But the current price, they're looking at 37,033, and this is actually pulled from, Bitfinex, okay? This is showing how many people are going long and how many are going short. So although there are more people going long, 46,655, only 18,000 going short, there is times when the price can start dropping fast because of volume. Look what happened last time we saw the shorts get up here really high. This was on May 16th, May 17th in here, the last time we saw this much selling power. Look what happens right now. We were actually literally almost a double right now. Let's go on the chart and see what happened on May 17th. This is May 17th right now. We saw a 39, let's call it a 40% drop, 39.91% drop in the market. What has happened now? We are currently seeing that there's over close to, if not over, double the amount of volume of people in here shorting Bitcoin right now. These are institutions, these are banks. This could extremely drop Bitcoin's price again. Now, let's say we come over here and we copy this over and we look to possibly take another 39% drop, or let's call it 40% because we're close enough in here. This would put us down here at a level around 17,420. So we'll call it 17,500. All right, so I'm going to show you another metric here that's making me pretty nervous in here, to be honest with you guys. The shorts in here are stupid high. I've never seen it this high. This is past 360 days. It's the highest amount of shorts we've ever seen in Bitcoin. But take a look at this metric by CryptoQuant as well. Let me refresh this. This actually shows you guys the amount of money that's flowing into and out of all exchange wallets. Now, I need to explain this to you. So you might not understand what this means. So when money gets put into a wallet, this is when you buy a currency, let's say Bitcoin, and you put it into a wallet. There's no way to actually get crypto into a wallet unless you buy it, right? You put it in your wallet once you buy it. Well, why does money go from a wallet and get put on the exchange? Well, if it goes from a wallet and then puts on exchange, what do you do on an exchange? You either swap it for other coins or you place it out to be sold. Let's take a look at the correlation here. When money has moved onto the exchanges, historically we have seen big drops in the price. We see a big drop here, we saw a big drop here, we saw a big drop here. Okay, we even see it back here correlated to this high here, and we saw a lot of money coming out and we saw a little bit of a drop. Now, what happens when people are moving their money onto the wallets and they're buying and they're stashing it away? Well, historically, the price has gone up, the price has gone up, the price has gone up, the price has gone up when we hit the low here, and again, proving here, the price has gone up, and again, we saw the price go up here after this dip when money flowed into the wallets. Well, let's take a look at the obvious thing on the chart right here. We are seeing a huge amount of volume on the exchanges being, from the exchanges. This is an exchange flow. The amount of volume going from wallets to exchanges is very high right now. I believe this is because people who have their money in their wallets, they're putting it on the exchanges in order to sell it. So not going from a biased perspective, trying to create FUD out there. I'm unbiased about this. The money flow is not looking positive for people wanting the price to go up. It's the highest amount of short pressure we have ever seen in Bitcoin in the last 360 days. The last time this happened, we dropped 40%. This is almost double the move of what we saw last time. So this is just hypothetical. I'm not trying to create FUD on this. If we move to an 80% drop on here, because I know it's a little bit different price structures, lower or higher is going to create different percentages. But even if we come down here and we look at 80%, that's pushing us down here below $10,000. Okay, that's why the thumbnail says $1,000. It's not clickbait. This is actually some sounded technical analysis here that we could see a move down. So do I think we're going to get down to 10,000 below? Guys, honestly, I don't know. And the truth is you don't know either. Nobody knows if we're going to get that low, but we need to have this in the back of our minds as a possibility. That's why I set up buy limits so low in case we get triggered in here. I might be going on, do you guys know about this website, the tradeconfident.io? I might be updating some of these buy limits over the next few days and maybe even Monday and Tuesday of next week, just because I've seen this and I can clearly see, not from an emotional perspective, but from a money flow perspective, there is a ton of people and institutions right now looking to short Bitcoin. And if they get what they got last time and they get their way, this is going to be a ridiculous drop in the market and we are going to go down fast. Again, it's not FUD. It's looking at straight numbers. So if you guys want a channel where I'm going over the real numbers and I'm not going to be biased in here about what I think, you guys subscribe to this channel and I'll keep this coming. I'll keep these. I'm going to be doing more videos with this type of money flow to show you guys how many longs and shorts there are so you guys can stay updated and get real, unbiased, real raw data of what's going on with Bitcoin so we can make better trade decisions. Every single video, I'm in a live trade with you guys, making money or managing a trade. God bless you guys. Share this with your friends so they can be alert and be aware of this. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.